Alright guys, so we're back with another video, and yeah, I got wallpaper. It's hard, I assure you. Anyway, we're playing this game. It glitches a lot, so let's just hope it doesn't glitch. And get right into it. I'm not sure if you can hear me that well, but I'm just like hitting this because I get angry at games and I'm going to hit it or pull it down. So this thing will go right beside my computer, and I will start the ice planet. Imagine if this had a YouTube channel. Hello, I'm a human. Right, 3, 2, 1. Let's not glitch, boys. Come on, let's get further than these people can get. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Suckers, I want to shoot things. Who's David William? I'm the worst at this game. Right, if I die or this glitches, this hole. Oh my god, I'm looking in the corner right now. Yes, I'm 7th. Yes, it's glitching. This means it's gonna go home and then I can whack something. Yes. Oh my 2nd, Jesus. That's nice. I'm just like shooting everything. Like I'm like shooting like all the time. This is where it gets a bit glitchy. So no, shoot. Yes, I'm destroying everything. Here. I think I'll get glitchy. No, you dare come in front of me. I'm 2nd, sucker. Oh yeah, I told you. If it comes off the game or I don't come first, like that sucker there thinks he can beat me. Well, he can. Oh, and you as well. You as well now, huh? Bruv. BMW, huh? I'm gassed, see? Gassed. Come on. Don't crash. Just shoot things. Shoot whatever's in your pathway. 3rd is bronze. 2nd, silver. 1st, gold. Just shoot things already. Just like, I'm 2nd, okay? That's fine. I'm first. No, controls. Work. Oh my god, they're so not sensitive now. There we go. That's working better. Oh yes, boys. 2 minutes in, I'm already bossing this. Like, come on, I'm out of bullets, I think. Can you go out of bullets? I'm just gonna shoot. This is where it gets glitchy. Just like, see? Like, Jesus. Just randomly shoot at everything that you see. Just like, shoot. Come on. Yes, that's the stuff. Destroy them things. Oh yes. Conquered. What the hell's that? Come on, boys. Come on. Take that, brother. Phone on my chair. Right, anyway. I got first. Done. Yeah, I made it smaller. I just took it down because I like whacking it whenever I win this time. Ha! I love you! You made me win. I still hate you though. Like, if I lose something, you die, okay? Anyway. I won! Can I still turn on? Yes. Okay. Arena, new mode unlocked. Yes, let's go! Dreamcatcher. Yeah. Oh, this is arenas. I don't. That hurts. You want to? That's what I'm talking about. Let's just simply go next. Enter. I will lose this. Jeez. %. Right. Am I first? Suckers. Oh, come on, Borg. Oh, I need to shoot stuff. 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 Jesus. 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 Yes. Is that me shooting? Don't glitch. Don't you dare go home or else there's something gonna get whacked. Like, just shoot. 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 I eliminated someone. Great. Oh my god. Or did I just eliminate myself? Damn it. I'm just gonna, like, keep pressing the shoot button. Die, sucker! Don't you dare shoot me. Oh no, what the hell's this? No, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, that's the wrong way, Jesus. Jesus, wrong direction. What the heck? This is the right direction now. Now I'm set. Oh, that's actually pretty nice. Yes, die, sucker. I've got this game. Now it's into the glitchy parts. See, even when I'm not playing, like recording, it gets glitchy here. Christ, Jesus Christ, Jesus Christ, you just die, you damn aeroplane. Right now, I'm still second. I'd take second as a win. Like, that's fine by me. Like, I go second, that's fine. Haha, suckers, all die. But that's a bad thing about being second. You're the one having to shoot everyone. Well, like, in with a mob or something. I don't care, but it's worse. Just because it's faster doesn't mean Chrome's not better. Buttons won't work, like, your fault. Anyway, still not working, I can see. How am I still second though? That's what I don't get. I guess I'm not second. It's just doing that. Oh, whoa, whoa, what happened? I finished first! Suckers! Yes! Thank you. Whack me on head, cuz. I finished first. I don't know how, but I finished first. The Borg got eliminated! Ah, yes, we know that, don't we? Woo! 4,000! Come on! Die, you Borg! Was it only me and Borg? I think it was. I'm not gonna enter anything else. How long is this video? Right, guys. So small! I could kick that, like... That was me kicking it, okay? Right? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.